Introducing the new Aero Wet and Dry series. Since entering the market in the 90s, Aero vacuum cleaners have made wet and dry vacuuming simple and convenient, keeping facilities and workplaces safe and clean. Now, Nilfisk Alto is proud to present the next generation of Aero cleaning systems, featuring an updated design and new innovative features. The result is a series of powerful and reliable wet and dry vacuum cleaners designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Compact, easy to maneuver and transport to different locations. Efficient, powerful, and equipped with an innovative filter cleaning system featuring a reverse air pulse that keeps the filter cartridge clean. The new Aero series is designed for multi-purpose application and meets the needs of users in a variety of sectors. Whether you have to clean wet or dry debris, workshops or job sites, Aero will do the job without any hassle. Aero 21 is the smallest model in the series and offers a compact design, a capacity of 20 liters, and easy-to-use features. And it comes with integrated accessory storage and an optional stainless steel container with a handle. Aero 21 is ideal for smaller cleaning jobs in workshops or at client sites. Aero 26 and 31 Inox are our featured models, offer larger capacity, and focus on application and user needs. The new flat-top design offers optimal storage of tools during work, and a flexible rubber strap allows for easy and reliable hose storage. The robust container equipped with a bumper and large wheels also allows for optimal use and quality. Aero 26 is also available with automatic cable rewind, ensuring secure and convenient power cord storage. It is the ideal solution when working with sanding, grinding, or cutting tools. A combination of customer understanding and technical know-how has been key to the development of the new Aero series. You can easily empty the container, either by using the built-in handle found on selected models or by replacing the fleece filter bag. Whether you work in open spaces or hard-to-reach locations, Aero is a compact solution for efficient and powerful cleaning. The new Nilfisk Alto Aero series, taking compact wet and dry vacuum cleaners to a new level of productivity.